Ooh. All right, so look. There's this place that. All right, so look. My complex do this thing where they have like food trucks come to the complex. Probably the reason why my rent be like, cause they be booking these fucking food trucks to come. Right now, they own two. I had the Jamaican food, trash. I had the fucking the Mexican food, trash. I'm talking like to me personally, 0 out of 5. But they have this one that's called Crazians or some shit like Crazy Asians or some stupid shit. I'm not gonna say stupid. I just wanted to try it out. They supposed to be booked yesterday, and they supposed to be here last month, but it got canceled. These are all of the emails. All right, so we're gonna go check this out. I'm gonna go walk. I'm gonna take y'all on the walk to it too. All right, so we're gonna go. Let's go check this out. That's why people are out today. Got the kitties out. Same walk that I took to the gym. Gym walk. Hold on. I'll show y'all. Let's walk right here. Food acquired. Food acquired. A lot of food. Let's go home. All right, so we back in my house, right? Don't mind your business, all right? That's my TV box. Mind your business. That's all I want to say. All right, so we got a few things, right? We got bulgogi fries, right? Fried dumplings. Bulgogi fries, fried dumpling. Chicken rice bowl. And a bao tacos and a Sprite. Skinny ass Sprite. This is the fried dumplings. I don't know what's in here though. I hope it's not pork though.
Hold up.
That's pork. Pork. Off to a great start. All right. That was good too, I ain't gonna lie. Ooh. This is the bulgogi fries. All right, let's see what this is about. I've been kind of waiting because I want, like I said, there's no good food trucks. I want to know why my rent is so high. And I want to know why my rent is so high. And why they keep calling people over here to food trash. That is fucking good. Yo. Hold up. Bro, perfect. 5 out of 5. These shits is crazy. To the point to where I gotta figure out how to make this. Hell yeah. That french fries is crunchy. I don't know. I'm gonna have to follow these motherfuckers around or some shit. Like, I'm gonna just stay parked behind them on some like, where y'all go, I go. Now these are the bao tacos. I don't know if you ever had bao tacos. I had bao tacos. They have a spot in New York called Bao House downtown. Shit was good. The fish bows. Bow. I'm gonna add that's the 5-yo. This is the chicken one, I think, if I'm correct. Mid without it. Mid without sauce. With sauce, it's a bit better, but tastes mostly like nothing. I'm gonna get that. 2 out of 5. Steak. I'm gonna just take a bite. I ain't gonna try to, because I wanna finish those. I'm gonna leave that right there. All together, I'm not even gonna taste the shrimp. The shrimp probably gonna taste the same, but that's like a 2.5 out of 5. It's cool. Not for its price though. So this is the bao, and then it has carrots and shrimp in it. It has 2 shrimps in it. Little bao taco. Rice bowl. Chicken rice bowl. I think honestly, just make a, like, just sell bulgogi fries. Hold on. Tastes good. Got like that, it tastes like it got a little sweetness to it. A little dry, like almost like tuna dry. That ain't it. That ain't it. It was like 2.5 out of 5. I ain't really fuck with it. I don't know. Those fucking pork dumplings, I didn't get to really eat it, but it had a nice crunch to it. Those was like a 3 out of 5, but I can't eat it because it's pork. Oh no, this is a 5 out of 5. This is right here, crazy. All together, I give it a 3 out of 5, just because it is. This carries. This carries. This carries. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.